Granite versus quartz. Which sink is better? Dear friends, choosing the right sink is just as important as selecting the countertop. Granite and quartz sinks are two popular options, each offering durability and style. Granite sinks are made from a blend of natural stone and resin. They have a solid, matte finish that looks elegant and modern. These sinks are highly resistant to scratches, chips, and high temperatures, making them ideal for heavy daily use. Another advantage of granite sinks is their ability to hide waterspots and stains. They are also quieter than stainless steel, reducing noise while washing utensils. However, granite sinks can be heavier and slightly more expensive. Quartz sinks are engineered using crushed quartz and binding resins. They offer a smooth, uniform appearance and are available in a wide range of colors. Quartz sinks are non-porous, which makes them hygienic and easy to clean. On the downside, quartz sinks may be slightly less heat-resistant compared to granite sinks. Prolonged exposure to extreme heat can affect the surface over time. In terms of maintenance, both sinks are easy to care for and do not require sealing. Granite suits users looking for strength and a natural stone feel, while quartz is ideal for those who prefer a sleek, contemporary look. The better sink ultimately depends on your kitchen style, usage, and personal preference. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.